The R1150 is Rotary's top-of-the-line leverless tire changer, providing a more efficient tire changing process while protecting customers' wheels from damage. Rotary's R1150 features an integrated pneumatic wheel lift, a quick locking center post, which eliminates wheel damage due to improper clamping. An easy adjust roller bead breaker allows for bead breaking in the correct position. Push button auto indent. Easy to use hand control. A true leverless head, which eliminates the need for tire tools while minimizing tire stress. A variable speed motor. A pneumatic helper arm. And an integrated air station with a quick bead blaster.